Hi, this is Corrine Lancaster, and I would like to teach you how to delete a tweet from your Twitter feed. I have already posted a practice tweet that I would like to delete, and I want to take you through the steps. I'm right now on the home feed, so this has all of the people that I follow, and I would like to go to my Twitter feed where you see all the tweets that I have posted. So I'm going to double click on the tweets over here on the left, and it brings up my Twitter feed, and this is the tweet that I would like to delete. Yes, he's a very cute little puppy, but I would like to delete this one. Notice I put this is a practice tweet so I can teach you how to delete it. We're going to go over here to this down arrow and we're going to click one time, and if you'll notice there's a drop down menu, and if you'll scroll down here it says delete tweet, and I'm going to click on the delete tweet. It asks you, are you really sure that you want to delete the tweet? And I'm going to click delete. And poof, it's gone. Doesn't take long, but that's how you do it. Thanks. Have a great evening.